Open the front cover, and remove the waste toner box. Remove the 2 securing screws, and remove the plastic cover. Disconnect the cable from the selected drum unit, and remove the 2 securing screws. Gently pull out the drum unit, and place it on a flat surface. Dismantle the 2 springs, left and right. To separate the developing unit, release the black hook at the front of the drum unit. So, release the clasp and separate the developing unit. Be careful not to lose the white drive wheel, which may fall off the developing unit by itself. Put the developing unit aside for time repair in a safe place, and unscrew the drive wheel from the drum unit. On the back, remove the 3 locking screws and remove the back cover. Remove the positioner from the drum shaft. To remove the drum, lift it up and pull it to the left. To remove the charging unit, simply pull the shafts upwards. Remove the 3 screws securing the drum cleaning blade. Yellow powder is scattered on the right side of the cleaning blade. First, determine if it is spilled toner or the developer. Dirt sticks to the magnetic screwdriver, so the developer spilled out. Usually, spilled developer powder means that the developer needs to be replaced with a new one. Mark the places where the securing screws were screwed in, and remove the other 2 screws. When removing the drum cleaning blade, be careful not to break the 3 plastic positioners. There may be pads under the drum cleaning blade. Secure the washers so as not to lose them. Check that the pads are not stuck to the underside of the drum cleaning blade. Mark the washers in the same way as you mark the holes on the drum cleaning blade. Install the washers exactly in the same places from which they were taken out. Remove any waste toner from the toner return spring. Wash the gasket, use alcohol. Reposition the pads in the correct places. After installing the pads, prepare a new drum cleaning blade. Install a new drum cleaning blade, and reinstall the 3 securing screws. On the left side, there is a small white gear which has no safety features, and may come off spontaneously when cleaning the unit. Make sure this gear is in the right place. To replace the charge roller and cleaning roller, simply pull off the sleeves on the left and right sides. Prepare a new charge roller and cleaning roller. slide the sleeves onto the new rollers. The rollers are the same length on both sides, so there is no distinction between the right and left sides. The most important thing when assembling the rollers is that both springs fit the positioners. Insert the new roller into the drum unit, taking particular care that the springs do not warp. There is a voltage conducting plate on the left side, so on the left side the rollers enter with more resistance. Make sure the springs are not bent. Remove the clasp from the old drum, and take out the shaft. After removing the shaft, prepare a new OPC drum. Insert the previously disassembled shaft into the new drum, and finally insert the transverse locking pin. Install the clasp on the other side of the drum. Install the right drum positioner. To install a new drum, first insert the right side of the OPC drum shaft into the drum unit. Only now press the right side of the drum, and install the back cover. Tighten the 3 screws to secure the rear drum housing. Combine the drum unit with the developing unit. First, slide the rear gear into the hole on the drum unit. After connecting the front of the drum unit and the developing unit, the safety hook should click into place by itself. Now you can clearly see that the hook has locked the units well. Gently check to see if you can make such a move. If everything is okay, reinstall the rubber joint. Previously, when disconnecting the modules, this rubber connector would slide itself off. If you forget to install this adapter, the toner will spill inside the copier. Install the 2 springs on the right and left side. Reinstall the regenerated unit to the copier. Gently slide the imaging unit into place, and screw in the 2 securing screws. Reconnect the plug with the wires. Install the plastic cover, and tighten the 2 securing screws. Reinsert the waste toner bottle, close the front cover, and start the copier.